theoretical questions. Okay. One second. From this to this. Read this paragraph and ask me any question. What is cache memory and how this is work? Cache memory is smallest and fastest component in the hierarchy. You already know that. And not highest, is second highest, because in the higher portion there is a register. We consider actually the register is 1-bit memory. So we can say that the smallest one is cache memory. Okay, because register is inbuilt in CPU. And cache memory maintain the locality of reference, this line. And I already told what is locality of reference. There is two kind of locality of reference, spatial and temporal. What is spatial? All the variables are stored in the same block. And what is temporal? Temporal means different block. And cache and main memory both are divided into equal size block. Why equal size? Because if it is not equal size, then main memory block cannot fit under cache memory. That's why size of both are equal, but number are different. Because cache memory is less in total size, that's why number of blocks in cache memory are lesser than number of blocks in main memory. আবার কেউ এসছে মনে হচ্ছে, দাঁড়াও দেখে নি, পরিত্র এসছে। You have done this portion. This is the definition of cache memory. It is, this part is definition, okay? And here, from here, just headline, new paragraph, address mapping. Address mapping. This is very important part of the memory organization chapter, because one of important part is the access time. The two types of access, memory access time and average access time. We have done this part, and the next important part is the address mapping. From this part, there is a possibilities to theory question and problem numerical question both. So concentrate on this and try to understand. So write down the address mapping decides which block of main memory has to be placed where in the cache memory. Just underline these two word which and where. This is very important. Which block of main memory is to be placed, but has to be placed where in the cache memory. This is the working function of address mapping. So address mapping decide that which block of main memory has to be placed where in the cache memory. Okay, I forgot to record. 1 second. Not streaming. Yeah. Okay, write down the next point. More than one blocks competing for same cache position. More than one block of main memory, more than one block of main memory competing for same cache position. This is the actual problem. This problem is called cache conflict problem. Okay, তাহলে কি লিখবে? More than one block of main memory competing for same cache position. This is called cache conflict problem. Okay. Okay. Now write down this line. Tag bits are used to tag bits. TAG tag are used for indicate which is that main memory block present in the cache position at that time. Tag bits are used to indicate which is that main memory block present in that cache position at the time. Why? Because there is cache conflict problem. Why there is cache conflict problem? Because the size of cache memory is lesser than size of main memory. That's why number of block in cache memory are also lesser than number of block in main memory. And we have to load the main memory block into the cache memory for reducing the average access time. But if the place in the cache memory is lesser, so that's why more than one memory block, more than one main memory block compete for the one place in cache memory. That's why for this problem is called cache conflict problem, and for resolve this problem we use the tag bits. Okay, this is the actual history, actual logic. The tag controller, next line, this one. From this thing, if you write in your copy properly, you can answer any theory questions, any theory question you can answer. Because it is not a note, okay? It's actually my realization to the subject. So it is your observation and realization, how you understand this subject, this topic. So it's not a bookish note from the book I just copy and told you. It is not like that. It is the understanding of the topic, and you just write down your understanding for the memorization. So the tag controller is a okay, just write down like this. The tag controller maintains the tag information of all the cache blocks. এরকম লিখবে না, the tag controller, এটা কেটে দাও, maintains the tag information of all cache blocks. Okay. Now next new paragraph, write down address mapping. Heading, just write down this heading, address mapping. Oh, you already heading, na? Address mapping already you done, I think.
স্যার ট্যাগ কন্ট্রোলারটা কিভাবে কাজ করে?
ট্যাগ কন্ট্রোলার কিভাবে কাজ করে আমি পরে ঠিক আসবো, আমি এক্সপ্লেন করব।
ওকে ওকে।
তুমি যতক্ষণ না ম্যাপিং বুঝছো ততক্ষণ তুমি আগে ম্যাপিং বুঝবো, তারপর ট্যাগ কন্ট্রোলারটা বুঝবে। আমি এক্সপ্লেন করব, জাস্ট রাইট ডাউন, জাস্ট এটা ইনফরমেটিভ যে ট্যাগ কন্ট্রোলার কি করছে, ইনফরমেশন গুলো রাখছে। এবার কিভাবে করছে সেটা জানতে গেলে তোমাদের ডিজিটাল লজিক জানতে হবে, সেটা আমি ডিজিটাল লজিকটাও পড়িয়ে দেবো, চিন্তা করো।
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, there is some multiplexer, there is some decoder and or gate and gate. তো ওগুলো আমি করিয়ে দেবো, চিন্তা নেই। Okay, so address mapping, there is three types of address mapping. This is the important thing here. There is three types of address mapping. Our case ঘন্টা বাজছে মানে কেউ এসছে, লাবণী দাস। Okay, there is three types of address mapping. First one direct, second one associative, third one set associative mapping. First one direct mapping, second one associative mapping, third one set associative mapping. Done. Now just write down this thing from this to this. When you have done your writing, you just ping me, sir. Now I can continue. Oh.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Sir, set associate mapping এর লাইনটা একটু পড়বেন একবার। Third
Okay.
pointer.
Set associative mapping maintain the advantage of direct and associative mapping. Set associative mapping maintain the advantage. ADV means advantage of direct and associative mapping. If set size is 1, it's reduced to direct mapping. If there is only one set, it's reduced to associative mapping. Okay, this set associative mapping is kind of the mixture of the direct and associative mapping. I explain all of the things one by one, direct of the direct associative, set associative, use of some diagrams and all. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see. What is mapping actually? How it's work? Try to understand. Here, the main memory block. There is some 8 blocks in main memory. Done. 0 to 7, yes, 8. And here your cash. 4 blocks are there because cache is lesser in size than main memory. So now you want to store this block 1, this block you want to store in the cache memory. Fine. So if we want to store the block 0 first, okay, we start with 0. Then where it is stored? It is have a formula called hash formula. How it is hashed? We consider this number, this block number as k, okay, and we use k mod n. K mod n. So what is k here? K means the block number of main memory. And what is n here? Size of cache memory. Size means not size, you can write like this, number of block in cache memory. Number of block. It is n. You already know that. Number of block in cache memory is n, and block number of main memory. The block number and number of block are different. Number of block means total number of block, and block number the individual numbers. So if you want to store this block in cache memory, so what is the formula now? 0, block number is 0, and number of block in cache memory is 4. So 0 mod 4, what is the result? 0. So you store this 0th block in 0. Okay. Now 1. So 1 is your block number and number of block is 1. So 1 mod 4. So what is the result? 1. 2 mod 4. 2. আবার কে এলো? কেউ আসেনি? ও আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে মেসেজ ঢুকছে। And 3 mod 4 is 3. There is straightforward 0, 1, 2, 3, no problem. Now where the cache conflict problem? Now you want to store the block this, block number 4. But there is any place in the cache memory? See? No, because already 0, 1, 2, 3 are there and all the 4 places are filled. So this is the cache conflict problem. So where you stored the 4? 4 mod 4. What is the result? 0. 4 mod 4 means if you divide the 4 with 4, the remainder is 0. Okay. So 4 mod 4 is 0. So we have to store the fourth block of main memory into the 0th block of cache memory. So here you write the 4 here. Okay. Now you store 5. So why do you store 5 in this? Because 5 mod 4, it is 1. Now you want to store 6. So 6 mod 4, it is 2. So 6, you store 6 here. 7 mod 4, it is 3. So you store 7 here. So now you see in the cache memory, one block of cache memory, there is a competing 2 block of main memory 0 and 4. So here the tag is introduced. Tag is introduced. So here you use 2-bit tag. like this. আমি যখন প্রবলেম করাবো তখন আর ট্যাগটা ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে। জাস্ট ট্যাগ ইজ ইন্ট্রোডিউস যে হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ স্টোর নাও, ইট ইজ 0 or it is 4. One tag for each block in cache memory. And now, depending upon the problem, we have to calculate the number of tag bits. Here the number of tag bits only 1. Why it is 1? Because if tag bits value is 0 or 1 bit tag bit. If it is 0, then this. If it is 1, then this. Now in block number 1, if it is 0, then this. If it is 1, then this. Like this.
Sir, can you explain the last part once more?
What is the last part?
অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওই কেমোড এনে জায়গাতে তারপর আপনার অডিওটা ব্রেক করছিল বিশাল।
Okay. Kmod n. After Kmod n.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. What is Kmod n? Kmod n is used to store the main memory block in cache memory block. So what is K here? K is the block number of main memory and n is number of block in cache memory. So now you take the block numbers here from here and you just modulus with the number of block in cache. So if you want to store 0, then what is the K mod n? 0 mod 4. So 0 mod 4, what is the result? 0. So 0 is stored here. If you want to store 4, so 4 mod 4, what is the result? 0. So you store 4 in the 0th block.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay. And the tag bits is 1 here. Tag bits is either 0 or 1 bit tag. Tag value is either 0 or tag value is either 1. If the tag value is 0, then it's choose this first block. If the tag value is 1, it's choose the next block.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay. So the working function of tag controller is this. Which block you gonna be used is going to used, because in the cache memory there is shorter places. That's why. Okay. If you elaborate this problem like this, not elaborate, expand the main memory, then you understand well. See. ঠিক আছে পড়ে যাবে। কোথায় ছিল? Okay, now there is the 16 block in main memory. See, 0 to 15, and your cache memory have only the 4 blocks. Okay. Now, Aditya, tell me the 10th block of main memory, where to be stored in the cache memory?
10 mod 4.
10 mod 4. What is the value? What is the value of 10 mod 4?
2.
2. Yes. You don't know modulus operation? Modulus is means you divide a number by other number, the remainder is modulus. You divide 10 by 10 divisible by 4. So 4 to 8. So 2 is the modulus. Simple. So Now the 10 is stored here a 2. So how it is stored? See, the 0th block, the 4th block, the 8th block, and the 12. These
Hello.
4 blocks are stored into the cache memory.
Hello.
The 4th block is hold the places, the 0th places. Why? Because 0 mod 4 is 0, 4 mod 4 is 0, 8 mod 4 is 0, 12 mod 4 is also 0. Okay, and here 1 3 bolo 5, not 5, not 3, 1 5 I think. 1 5 9 13, 2 6 10 12. See or throw 10th block is stored in the block 2 because 10 mod 4 is 2.
2.
Yes. 3 7 11 এই এখানে 12 নয়
স্যার
হ্যাঁ
12
ঠিক বলছে না স্যার 12 নয় ঠিক ঠিক 12 কি হবে
Now
14
14.
11 15 done দেখো all are the places is occupied now. So now my question is that what is your tag bit? How many bits it is required for the tag? Can you tell me? If you tell
Sir,
this,
4.
then you understand the
Sir,
problem.
4.
4
Sir,
tag
4,
bits.
sir.
4 not 2.
4.
No, it is 2. Why? How many bits?
Sir,
If you
sir,
have,
the
see
number
here,
is 4, but the bits is 2, sir.
yes, bits is 2. Why? Because
the
you
number is
represent
4.
the 4 number by the 2 bit. Dekho.
2.
Okay. So, how you calculate the bit here? If it is 2 bit, then you see the number 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So, how many numbers are generated by 2 bits?
4.
4 numbers. So, see here. This is the position of tag is 0 0. This is the position of 0 1. This is the position of 1 0 and this is the 1 1. Okay. If we want to locate this block, 1 0 means ninth block. So what is the value of 9 in binary? You can tell me. Now you see, understand how I. Can anyone tell me the binary value of 9?
1001.
1001.
Okay. Now see the magic. 1001. Okay. And I tell that 2 bits are used to hold the tag. Okay.
Yes.
So you just to divide in 2 bits, and this portion is tag, and this portion your cache number. See, what is the value of tag here? 1 0.
Yes.
1 0 means the third block here. See this. And 0 1 means what is the value of 0 1 in decimal?
1.
What is the value of 0 1 in decimal?
1.
1. See,
1.
1 block of cache. কোথায় আছে তাহলে 9th নাম্বারটা? বুঝতে পারলে?
Yes, sir.
How it is designed?
Yes, sir.
Because machine only understand the binary bits. Now take another example, the block 7. So what is the binary value of 7 in the 4-bit consideration?
0111.
1 1 1. It is 7. Okay. and you add 0 for the 4 bit.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now this 2 bit is used for tag. So this 2 bit is used for tag, and this is the cache block number. So see the position, second position, and the cache block number. Well, 3. 1 1 means decimal is 3.
3.
So see, look at the, it is the third one.
Yes, sir.
I think now you guys are understand everything.
But but স্যার মেন মেমোরি যদি বাড়তে থাকে তাহলে ক্যাশ মেমোরিটাও বাড়াতে থাকতে হবে।
তার কোনো মানে নেই।
ওকে।
নাও বাড়তে পারে ক্যাশ মেমোরি, তোমার কাছে খুব স্মল ক্যাশ মেমোরি ইউজ করছো, কি হয়েছে যদি না বাড়ে? তো অসুবিধা কি আছে? এখানে 4টের জায়গায় তখন 10টা হবে, আর
আচ্ছা
10খানা ট্যাগ বিট। হ্যাঁ,
পজিশনটা বাড়াতে থাকবো মানে ট্যাগ পজিশনটা।
ট্যাগ বিটসটা বাড়বে।
ওকে ওকে।
What is the time?
11:20.
11:20. 10:30 to 11:15, then 15-minute break.
Yes.
What is in the routine? ওকে দেখতে দাও, আমি রুটিনটা দেখিনি, দাঁড়াও। এই রুটিনটা কোথায় গেল? মেলে আছে, সেকেন্ড ইয়ার সেকশন বি। Oh no, 10:30 to 11:30, then break, then
11:15 হবে।
হ্যাঁ
ওটা 11:15 হবে।
তাই তো, টিভি ভুলভাল করেছে। যাই হোক, 11:15। ওকে, 5 মিনিটস ব্রেক। আমি একটু ব্রেকফাস্ট করে নিই, আমার খাওয়া হয়নি। তোমার খাওয়া না হলে খেয়ে নাও।
Yes, sir.
Now just write down this problem. I just tick mark. Consider a direct map cache. Consider a direct map cache of size 16 KB with block size 256 byte and size of main memory is 128 KB. So now find out the number of bits in tags and tag directory size. Just write down. I just solved this problem. And this kind of problems important, very important for your Mac out exam and for GATE also. और क्यों एलो नाकि শুভজিৎ বিশ্বাস। শুভজিৎ বিশ্বাস কোথায় ছিল এতক্ষণ?
স্যার ঘুম থেকে দেরি করে উঠে গেছে।
ও হ্যাঁ, এই রে, এটা তো আমার মতো অভ্যাস, আমিও এরকম করতাম।
স্যার বাড়িতে আছি তো স্যার, তাই জন্য।
হ্যাঁ সেটাই। আর কোনো অসুবিধাও নেই, অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স পেয়ে যাবে, চাপ নেই।
এটা একটা
তাই না?
অ্যাডভান্টেজ বলতে পারেন তো।
হ্যাঁ, একটা অ্যাডভান্টেজ, সেই মানে সুযোগের সদ্ব্যবহার যেটাকে বলে। Okay, so how to solve this kind of problem based on direct mapping? So very easy, just see. You understand the direct mapping, no? Here. Now tell me what is given in the questions. First one is your block size. So tell me the block size.
256 bytes.
256 byte. Fine. And another thing, the main memory size.
128 kilobyte.
128 kilobyte. And the cache memory size?
16 kilobyte.
16 kilobyte. So look at the problem. The cache memory size is very lesser than main memory size. So in the practical scenario, these things is happening. Okay. So this problem is practical problem. Okay. And what is the block size? Block size means the block size and the cache block size of main memory. Okay. Block size means block size of main memory. So actually the block size of main memory is equal to the block size of cache memory. If it is not equal, then তো আমরা ম্যাপিং করতেই পারবো না, দেন মানে পুরোটাই ইললজিক্যাল হয়ে যাবে। সো অলওয়েজ রাইট ডাউন দিস block size of cache memory, main memory is equal to block size of cache memory. Just write down the line. Okay, so see, first of all, you have to compute the physical address. The physical address is the address of the number, the address of the main memory. So physical address divided into three parts here. First part is block offset. Block offset. This one is line offset or line number. You can write this line offset. And this one is tag. In case of DA, DA means the direct mapping. The direct mapping physical address division is like this: block offset, line offset, and tag. So what is line? Line is the number of blocks in the cache. Okay. In the main memory, we called block as block. In case of cache memory, we called block as line. Block as line. So for solving this problem, there are two kind of approach. One approach is very straightforward. There is some formula. You just substitute the value in the formulas and you get the result. This one kind of approach. But I don't like this approach because if we forget the formula, then what happens? ওকে অ্যাকচুয়ালি তোমাদের প্রচুর ফর্মুলা মাথায় রাখতে হয় তো আমরা অ্যাজ এ ইঞ্জিনিয়ার ডোন্ট ট্রাই টু রিমেম্বার এনিথিং ওকে উই জাস্ট সলভ দ্য প্রবলেম বাই আওয়ার ইনটিউশন সো what is the block size? 256 byte. So from the block size we get the block offset. Just do this. Block size now block offset equal to log base 2 block size. Done. So what is the block offset?
Sir, 8.
Exactly, it is 8. It is 8. Why? Because log base 2 of 256. So,
Sir, why log base 2?
because we are working in binary.
Okay.
In computer science, all log are log base 2.
Okay.
Remember that thing. In our conventional mathematics, we use log e and log 10. But in case of if we use the decimal system, means the base is 10, then it is log base 10.
Yes.
Okay, so actually in the mathematics we are working as decimal numbers.
Yes.
We are working with the decimal numbers. That's why in mathematics we use the log base 10.
Yes.
Here in computer science we are working with the binary numbers. That's why we use log base 2. Simple. Okay. If now my question is that if you invent a computer, if you invent a computer that use the ternary system, then what is the base of the log?
Log base 3.
Yes, so straightforward, log base 3. This is the main logic. Very good question. Very good question. Nice question. So দেখো 256 we can write like this 2 power 8. Now use the log formula and you get 8. 8 log base 2 by 2. Log base 2 by 2 is 1, so it is 8. I think you all of you know this formula. This one, this to this. How I write this? You know, class 10 mathematics, I think. Class 10 na class 11? Pavitra?
वही होगा 10 11 percent.
Okay. So this is 8. So we get the block offset. We write down this block offset here. Now we have to calculate the line offset. How we get the line offset? দেখো, for calculating the line offset we have to calculate the number of lines, in cache memory. What is the number of lines in cache memory? Cache size by block size. Okay, cache size by block size. So what is the line of cache memory in this problem? Number of lines?
Sir, 64.
16 KB by 256 byte. Okay, so when you calculate this kind of thing, you just convert it into all things into byte and into 2 powers. How I write this? Write down 2 to the power 4. And what is the value of KB here? Actually, just remember this: KB is 2 power 10, MB is 2 power 20. Where you see MB, you just convert in 2 power 20. And GB is 2 power 30. And now the new era of our computer science, TB. TB is 2 power 40. Okay. The new era of computer science, it's gonna be on TB actually. So 2 power 4 into 2 power KB here. So what is the value? 2 power 10. It is in byte here now. Very fine. Now 2 power 256 means 2 power 8. Now calculate. It is easy to calculate now.
64.
2 power 14 by 2 power 8. So what is the value?
64.
2 power 14 by 2 power 8. 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 means 64. Okay. So how many lines or how many blocks? Lines mean blocks actually. When it in terms of cache memory we called lines, and in terms of main memory we called block. So 64 is the number of lines. So now you have to calculate the line offset. So use log again. When you see offset, you just use log and number of lines. Number of lines. So what is the value now?
Sir,
Log
6.
2 of 2 power 6. 6. Right there. See? 2 power 6. 6. So now, what is the value of line offset now? Here 6. Here 6. Now the last portion, the tag. We have to calculate the tag bit. Now we got the block offset and line offset. Now where we calculate the tag bit, see. Tag bit equal to physical address means total minus line offset plus block offset. করলে আমরা পেয়ে যাব। We already compute these two. We have to compute the physical address. So where we get the physical address? See, physical address equal to log of main memory size. Log of number of block in main memory actually. Log of main memory size, no number of block main memory size here. If you do log here. Okay. 1 second, I just check question. কোশ্চেনটা কোথায় ছিল? Yeah. Fine. Yes. Done. Okay. So what is the log of main memory size? log base 2 128 KB is your main memory size. So 128 KB you can write 2 power 7 into KB. So 2 power 7 means 128 and 2 power 7 into 2 power 10. And his log base 2. Okay. So log base 2 power 17. So what is the bits here? 17. 17 bit. Now the final thing. Here is your block. It is tagged, it is line offset, block offset. Now block offset is your 8 bit, line offset is your 6 bit, and total one is 17 bit. So what is the value of tag now? Tell me. 17 minus 6
3,
plus
sir.
8. 3. Done. So what is the first question? The number of tag bits. So we've just find the number of tag bits. Answer is 3 bit. The 3 bit. Now what is the second part of the question? এই তোমরা কোশ্চেনটা লেখোনি?
Sir, tag directory size.
Yes, tag directory size. Tag directory size. So tag directory size, there is a direct formula here. Tag directory size. Tag bits into number of lines in cache. কত হবে? 3 into 2 power 6 byte. So what is the tag directory size now? 64 into 3. 64 into 3. So what is the value?
192, sir.
192 byte. Done. দেখো আমরা দেখে নিই আমরা ঠিক করেছি নাকি। ও বাইট নয় বিটস হবে, সরি ওটা বিটস হবে। হ্যাঁ ওই 3 বিট দিয়ে গুণ হচ্ছে তো, ঠিক আছে এটা বিট হবে, নট বিট, বাইট। দিস বিটস, হ্যাঁ দিস ইজ বিট। why it is 3 বিট দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই হচ্ছে আর it is the number না, so value is bit 192 bit. So now what is the byte? Just divided by 8 you can get the byte 24 নাকি? Yeah, 24 bytes. See here 24 bytes. Okay, now to write down this problem 2. Problem 2. And try to solve in the same process how I solved that previous problem. Any question from the previous problem? If there is no question, then you can solve this. Just look at the previous problem, the terminologies and the parameters, calculate those parameters and solve this problem. Five minutes time.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Sir, first answer ki 2 to the power 26 bytes.
Size of main memory. Size of main memory. 2 to the power?
26.
Yes.
And tag direct is 7 into 2 to the power 9.
Yes. এই কেউ কিন্তু মানে ইয়ে থেকে কপি করে দিও না আবার, এখানে তো মানে ওয়েবসাইটটা দেখা যাচ্ছে, ওটা থেকে আবার কপি পেস্ট মেরে দিও না, কোনো লাভ নেই, ওটাও কোনো লাভ নেই। What is your name?
Banani.
You just take the photo of your solved problem and send it into a group. in the class group.
Okay, sir.
After completing the memory mapping and we have done the access time, no? So after that, I will give you the assignments of this topic. Very less question থাকবে, অল্প একদম 2-3টে অঙ্ক। ওকে, and you can't find those problem in book or in Google. If you understand, then you can only solve. পরিত্র হয়নি?
Yes, sir. দেবো?
না, ওই কে একজন দিচ্ছে, ও বনানি, ও দিচ্ছে তো, দেয়নি এখনো।
Sir,
বনানি
দিয়ে দিয়েছি।
ভুল গ্রুপে দিয়েছিস, স্যারের গ্রুপে দে।
ও, আমি যেখানে আছি সেখানে তো আমি চেক করবো তো। আমি তোমার অ্যাপ্রোচটা দেখবো, অ্যান্সারটা তো ঠিক আছে, অ্যাপ্রোচটা দেখবো। Yeah. Nice. This is right, okay? Um, Problem 3. Actually, there are given some different thing parameters, and they want to find some different thing. In the first problem, we calculate the tag bit first, then tag directory size, and the next problem we calculate the main memory size and tag directory size, and the third problem we have to calculate the size of cache memory and tag directory size. The approach is same, just parameters are different now. So direct map cache block size 4 KB and main memory size is 16 GB. So can you tell me the physical address? Because main memory size is given here. So can you tell me the physical address? What is the physical address?
Sir, 2 to the power 20 bytes.
2 to the power
20 bytes.
24.
20? No.
24.
No. Log of 16 GB. 16 GB means 2 power 4 into 2 power 30. GB is here, na? If it is 16 MB, then 2 power 24. Okay. Now log, take log here. 34 bits. So total size we get 34 bits. The total one. And what is the block offset now? Okay, block size is 4 KB. So log of 4 KB. You will get the block offset. So 4 KB. 4 KB means 2 power 2 into 2 power 10. So 12. 2 power 12. So what is the, if you take log, so you get 12. 12 here. So we don't know this because we have to calculate the cache size. So now tag size are given, I think. Yes, 10 bits in tag field. So we just write here 10 here. So what is the line offset now? 34 minus 10 plus 12. 34 minus 22. 34 minus 22. So 12. 12 is your line offset. So from the line offset, you can get the cache size. How? Cache size equal to 2 power 12 into হবে. So line offset here 12 bits. So how many lines in cache? 2 power 12. So number of lines in cache here 2 power 12. Number of lines in cache
Number
2
of
power 12.
to block size.
Yes.
Block size.
So cache size equal to 2 power 12 into block size. So what is the block size? 4 KB.
4.
Okay. So what is the cache size now? You convert total into the byte and then format. Twelve, 10, 24. 24 byte. So just replace it like this. 2 power 4 into 2 power 20. And you get 2 power 20 is MB. So 16 MB. It is your cache size. See the solution. I don't know I do right or not. Yes, 16 MB. Okay. Now what is the tag directory size? Number of lines in cache into tag bits. And it is in bit. So number of lines in tag directory size, TD size, equal to number of lines in cache 2 power 20. Right? No, 2 power 12, I think. 2 power 12 into tag bits, 10 bits in tag. It is in bit. Just calculate this. ডান। আর কোনো ডিফারেন্ট প্রবলেম আছে কিনা? আশা করি আর নেই। ওকে, problem 6. This one, this is multiple choice question. The 4 options are there. You can take as normal question. It is gate question, so that's why it is multiple choice. So everything is same. One different thing is there. It is this one. The cache control maintains the tag information for each block comprising the following. What is that there? The one valid bit, one modified bit, and as many bit as the minimum needed to identify main memory block. Acha, okay. So what is the total size of main memory needed at the cache controller to store the metadata, means tag. Metadata means tag for the cache. So actually here the tag controller is not used. Here they use the cache controller. So approach is same. Just you calculate the all the fields of physical address, tag, line number, line offset, and block offset. Okay, first of all, you can write this one like here. In place of line offset, you just it is line offset is okay, but you just write the line number here, okay, in this field. The second field, calculation is all okay, just change the terminology. It is line number, and this one is block and line offset. It is very it is more meaningful. This is line number because we get this line offset, means line number, from the number of lines. So when we log the number of lines, then we get the line number. Always remember one thing, when we log the size, okay, we just take a size, block size, main memory size, cache size, and just log it. So then we get the offset kind of thing. And when we log the number of lines, number of blocks, then we get the line number or block number, like this. Why we do log here? Because from size, if we do the log here, so we get the bits. Bits means how many bits is required to how many bits is required to the total number of blocks. You can write like this. That's why we write log of size. So when you convert the size means KB, MB, GB, to the bits, you do log. And when we convert the bit to size, you just use 2 power. So you get the size from here. It's 12 bit. So what is the total size? 2 power 12 byte. This is the actual logic. Okay, Aritro. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You guys just take this problem as a assignment problem. The first problem in assignment.
Okay, sir.
This problem, you write down problem 1 in assignment problem. The first problem. In next class, I will provide you the total assignment. So it
Okay,
is the
sir.
first problem of your assignment. Okay. Today's class is over. হয়তো তুমি আমাকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা বুধবার দিন দেবে একবারে, ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
মানে আজকেরটা আর ওয়েডনেসডে দুটো একসাথে নিয়ে নেবে।
ওকে স্যার। আর বলছি আজকে স্যার ল্যাব ক্লাস আছে মোস্ট প্রবাবলি।
আজকে তোমাদের ল্যাব আছে না কালকে আছে?
আজকে ছিল, আমি আরেকবার চেক করে কনফার্ম করে নিচ্ছি।
দাঁড়া আমি দেখছি।
স্যার আজকেও আছে গ্রুপ 2।
গ্রুপ 2 কি তোমরা?
হ্যালো।
ঠিক আছে, আমি তো জানি না, আমি একটু কথা বলে নিচ্ছি রাজীব স্যারের সঙ্গে। রাজীব স্যারও আছে ল্যাবে, দুজন। আজকে হবে কি না, হার্ডওয়্যার ল্যাব মনে হয় আজকে হবে না যতদূর সম্ভব। ওকে আমি জিজ্ঞেস করে জানিয়ে দিচ্ছি গ্রুপে তোমাদের হবে নাকি। অরিত্র,
ইয়েস স্যার।
তুমি একবার স্যারকে ফোন করতে পারো, স্যারকে ফোন করে জিজ্ঞেস করে আনতে পারো। তোমরা
আচ্ছা,
গ্রুপ তো?
না আমি গ্রুপ 1, বনানী গ্রুপ 2।
এটা কিভাবে ডিভিশন হয়েছে?
ওই ফার্স্ট 30 রোল নাম্বার, তারপরে 30 রোল নাম্বার।
ওকে ওকে ওকে, তাহলে বনানী তুমি একটু জিজ্ঞেস করে নিও স্যারকে যে তোমাদের ল্যাব হবে কিনা আজকে।